Ah. So today we can discuss that is a 10 Newton and an 8 Newton. Okay. We want to add. So we already discussed that if the two vectors are the same direction, we can simply add 10 plus 8, 18 Newton. If it is the opposite direction, 10 minus 8, 2 Newton. Easily we get. But in this condition, we want to use a theorem. Okay. What theorem? Parallelogram of vector addition. Okay, what is that? We can discuss. In parallelogram vector addition, the first sentence is that the two vectors which we want to add as considered as the adjacent side of the parallelogram. So this 10 Newton and 8 Newton we can consider as the adjacent side of the parallelogram. So 10 Newton, this is tail and this is tail, that we combine together. Or head is head or tail. Here we take tail. So 10 Newton, when I am putting here, that will become 10 Newton. So we can draw in bigger size. This is 8 Newton, this is 10. Okay, I give some names. Okay, so 80. You know, now we take as the vectors we want to add as the adjacent side of the parallelogram. So we draw a parallel and same thing a line like this. Okay, so this is a parallelogram. I give the name as ABC. So what's the first thing? The vectors which we want to add, consider as the adjacent side of the parallelogram. So this 10 Newton and 8 Newton, I take it as adjacent side. And angle between them, we don't know the angle between them, I take it as theta. So what that parallelogram vector addition states that if the AB and CD, the vectors which we want as the adjacent side of the parallelogram, then the diagonal of the parallelogram. Diagonal of the parallelogram, what are they? This is the one diagonal and this is the one diagonal. So the diagonal which is passing through the common point of the two vectors. These two vectors, the common point, the diagonal which is passing through it, this is the diagonal which is passing through the common point. So I take it as AC as the diagonal. That gives the result. That means this AC gives the answer what is A+B. Okay. So again I repeat, the two vectors we consider as adjacent side of the parallelogram and the diagonal which is passing through the common point give the resultant. So this is AC give the resultant. So we can mathematically we can easily find with the derivation. So we can move to the derivation. So what the derivation? For this to solve a derivation problem, I take this 10 Newton, I take it as A and 8 Newton take it as B. So that is A and B, the two vectors. The angle between them is take it as theta. So I extend it and I get another point. Okay. The first thing, angle DAE. Angle DAE or DAB, whatever it is. Angle DAB and angle CB. Angle CB equal to theta. Why this became equal to theta? This is theta. Why? Angle C, what is angle? DAB and angle CB. Again repeat, angle DAB or DA. What both are same? DAE and angle CB is equal to theta. Why? It is corresponding angles that we studied in simple mathematics, the basics we can know. Corresponding angle. Okay. Clear. Next, I consider a triangle. Consider triangle means AEC. When I consider the triangle AEC, what is this triangle? We already know this intersect, so it's take it as 90 degree. So I consider a triangle AEC. So AEC, AC is the hypotenuse, AE is the base, and EC is the altitude. Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to altitude square plus base square. That is AC square is equal to AE square plus what? EC. Any doubt? Again I repeat. First of all, what we take DAE and angle CBE same theta. Why? It's a corresponding angle. Then I consider the triangle AEC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle we know Pythagoras theorem. What is that? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus and 2 square. Base square is AB square plus AC square. Now what is AE? AC square is equal to, what is AE? AB plus B. So I change that portion, AB plus BE all square plus EC square. Now AB SA. So A plus BE all square plus EC square. This is AC square. So now I consider a triangle CB. Again I repeat, AC square, A square plus EC square as Pythagoras theorem. AC square. Then when we see this, AE means AB plus B. That is why instead of A, I put AB plus B all square plus EC square. Then AC square is equal to AB. AB means what? A. So A plus BE all square plus EC square. Okay. Now I consider the triangle what? CB. From this, AD and BC is what? B. Very simple because parallelogram. So this will length will be equal to, this means AD equal to BC. So I am applying first of all cos theta. What is cos theta? What is cos theta? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is BE divided by what? BC. Then BE divided by BC means B, small term. So BE is what? B cos. Next, I apply sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta basically we know opposite side by hypotenuse. For theta, this is the opposite side, that is CE divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means BC. So again, CE divided by BC is what? B. From this figure, CE is known as B sin theta. Okay. Again I repeat, I consider a triangle CBD. From that triangle I apply cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. For theta, adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So BE divided by BC. BC, B. So BE means what? B multiplied with this cos theta, B cos theta. Sin theta, C, adjacent hypotenuse. Hypotenuse divided by, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side C. Hypotenuse is BC. So BC is B. So C is what? B sin theta. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and this I take give equation number 3. So I substitute this equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 in AC. In the A, not AC, equation 3. I apply equation 1 and equation 2 in equation 3. So what will happen? So when I apply here, I get AC square is equal to A plus, what is BE? B cos theta, B cos theta all square plus B sin theta all square. Okay, now what is A plus B cos theta all square? Very simple, I take it as P plus Q. Commonly we take A plus B, but we substitute that value, so P plus whole square we can connect very easily. So P square plus 2PQ plus Q square, we know. So here P is what? A. Q is what? B cos theta. So what's the answer? B square, that is A square, plus 2PQ, that is 2 into A, P, P, A. What is Q? B cos theta. So 2AB cos theta. Then again Q square, Q is B cos theta. Cos of Q square means B cos theta whole square. Plus what? B sin theta whole square. So what is AC square? Then AC square is equal to A square plus 2AB cos theta plus. So B cos theta whole square. Mathematics we already know what is XY whole square. That is X square Y square. So B cos theta, that is B square cos square theta. When we apply XY, B cos theta, B square cos square theta. Y square, cos square. Like that, B sin theta, B square, sin square. Okay. So in both conditions, B square common. So A square plus 2AB cos theta plus, in both conditions B square is common, so come outside, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Then you already know what is cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to 1. So we can say that from this equation onwards, we get what? AC square is equal to A square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square. So AC square, we require AC, that is A plus B is AC, not AC square. So I take it as square root both sides, so AC square becomes AC, and I get A square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square. This is the last expression. So from this equation, we can see that if A and B are the two vectors, and theta is the angle between them. If A plus B is what? A square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square. If two vectors, angle between them is you know. So adding two vectors, we require three things: magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and angle between the theta, the angle between A. If you know, we get that. This is the answer. So what is AC? Root of A square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square. This is the parallelogram of equation. Okay, this is the proof.